Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Here's just one tip that might save you some time. On your zoom tool, you have two options. One of them is panning tool where you can move stuff around, and the other one is the zoom tool. Now, you can zoom by turning your middle wheel on your mouse, but a lot of people might not. So I draw a lot of lake maps and I want to go through and I want to look really close and like change that node or, make that node a little smoother so I can, I have to ungroup it to do that because whenever you can't grab something, it's because it's a group of things. So if you ungroup it, then you could get your shape tool and grab that node and then either delete that node and see what happens and it's way too much, but you can grab your shape tool. This isn't really what the video is about, but see how you can smooth out that one node. Now I just want to drive around and look at the other part. If I hold down that scroll wheel when I have the zoom tool in, I'm turning the center wheel now, but if I want to move around, I just press and hold the button and I get the pan tool. So I can go right there and I go, well, there's a node I could clean up and, get the smoothing tool and see that's a different group. Whenever, like I said, whenever you can't grab something, well, it isn't. Maybe it's not a group. There it is. So I want to move on. So I'm going to hold down the pan tool and you can keep what's cool about this, you can keep the smoothing tool in, but I'm holding down that center mouse wheel and then I'm going to get to where I want. You've got to click on that item to smooth it out. And then I'm going to hold down the wheel again and I can just move around. This is this lake map is 18 by 24, so it's huge. So instead of zooming and then going like this or scrolling, you can hold down the center mouse wheel and you can zoom around or handle and then go and I say, I want to smooth that out just a little bit, get a better cut. Now I'm going to hold down the center wheel and I can just move around. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday and thank you for watching.